we're going to take a look at the 40mm Hermes Apple Watch Series 4. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. And this year, Apple dropped the ceramic and edition models of the Apple Watch, leaving the Hermes at the top of the price points. We've already taken a look at the larger 44mm. Now we're going to take a quick hands-on look at the 40mm. While not exclusively to women, this is clearly the target market with a smaller size and more feminine skewing band. In this case, we're looking at the Bordeaux Rose and Extreme Rose single tour band. Basically a lot of words for dark red and pink and brown and pink. The Hermes Apple Watch gets a few perks above the standard versions, but it's a far cry from what Apple used to offer for the upper echelon of Apple Watches. Before you used to get the kind of spaceship Apple Watch charging puck with the most high-end versions, and unfortunately this year you only get the standard charging puck and the wall adapter. The charging puck is the metal version, so it does have that stainless steel around it, but you get that same one with the stainless steel version of the Apple Watch. Hermes has had Apple Watch bands for some time, and the new version is slightly updated. They just have new colors to go with the new Series 4 Apple Watch. The single tour band is the simplest of them all, but it's still very elegant. Stainless steel lugs and a stainless steel buckle, as well as very premium, soft, and supple leather for the band itself. The Apple Watch hardware is exactly the same as any other Apple Watch Series 4 in the stainless. Whether you're looking at the 40 or 44mm versions, they are only available in the silver stainless steel. If you want space gray or any of the aluminum models, you're going to have to look elsewhere. You could always pick up one of the other models and then pick up one of the bands to go with it. While the hardware is the same, there is a few different software changes, notably with the custom Hermes watch faces. This custom watch face is highly configurable and all has trademark Hermes designs. First, you can change the typeface, depending on what you want, whether you're looking for more like glyphs or something simplistic. Either way, you've got options. The second panel contains options for the dial, notably how many icons you want around. Do you want all the numbers, just 4, or a single one at the top? The third slide over allows you to change the coloring between the different hands, the backgrounds, and all of that. And it can be customized to go with the band you have. So in this case, we have this rose band. There is a rose background to match. Then lastly, you can choose the complication. In this case, there's only one complication, and you can simply rotate through just like any other watch face. The new Apple Watch Series 4 has many changes over the previous Series 3. Just comparing it to a last generation 38mm, you can barely see the difference in the size. It's only slightly larger in the actual body, but the screen now goes edge to edge, or nearly edge to edge, which makes a huge difference we found in daily use. The new models are also ever so slightly thinner than previous generations, but even comparing side to side, you can really barely tell the difference. The Hermes Apple Watch Series 4 is clearly a luxury. There are some differences that set it apart from the other Apple Watches, but largely it's the same. Most people are going to be just fine with the stainless steel or the aluminum Apple Watches, but if you're looking for the highest end Apple Watch with exclusive watch faces and exclusive Hermes bands, then this is the one to go with. You can find it at the link below in the description.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.